Hi, I'm Gabriele, and I'd like to share with you my experience of kayaking with my art supplies. I take them out in the kayak to the different lakes here in in Missouri, and I do sketches and watercolor paintings. And today I'm at Brommelseek Park. I love the turtles. The turtles are great. They were everywhere. They were on all of the stumps and things. And this one let me get really, really close. And he just didn't seem to mind that I was there. Well, here's the scene I settled on, and now we're going to get to the drawing. I started out with pencil this time. Usually I work with pen, but I couldn't find my small ink pen. I use a Micron Pigma, usually a pen that's a little bit dry so that a lot of the drawing doesn't show up. It's just for place marker. So I'm going to start in and put my washes in now, and I'll just let you guys watch this speeded up version. having to deal with the drift. I had myself stuck in a place where I didn't move very much, but I was still getting drifted around. And just about now, someone came and started talking to me up from the bridge, and so I took a little bit of break and chatted with them for a little bit while. And just in that short amount of time, the wind really started to kick up some more. I've decided now that I'm going to go ahead and put some ink in there, and the ink pen that I'm using is a little bit heavier, thicker than I normally use. It's all I could find. Everything's kind of cramped in there in my kayak bag of tricks, and so I just kind of wanted to get this done. I'd been in the sun for quite a while and I was getting a little fatigued. So I'm going in to try and pull this thing together with a little bit of pen. It tends to help things hang together a little bit better, and I just kind of like the calligraphic line. Enjoyed this video as much as I'd enjoyed doing it for you, and that you'll join me again in future video adventures, kayaking adventures with my paints and brushes. And please like and share and comment, and go to my website and check out my other work. Thanks for watching. Bye.